Okay, hold on. I'm gonna come on the other side because I like sitting on this other side better. I can see you better. Xavier, can you help Mommy by drawing your X again? Okay. Just eat your fishies. Okay, Jazz. What's this sound? What's this? What is this, first of all?
What is that sound? What is that sound?
That's a guitar. Can you say guitar?
Guitar.
Right, okay. And what does a guitar sound like? What's the first sound in guitar? G, g, g. Like good. Like grandma. Like God.
God for
Like good golly.
Huh? No,
Okay.
God. Let's say God.
Now let's look at the other pictures.
Look, I did it.
Oh, we almost fell down with that one,
Look,
right? We gotta be careful.
Look it, I did it. Let's circle it up.
What's this word? What is this object? Sorry, what is that?
Flower.
Good job. What's the first sound in the word flower? What's that sound? Good job. What's that letter?
F.
You said it. That's it. F. Good job. Okay, next one. F. Next one. What's this? What is that? What is that?
Tree.
Good job. What's the first sound in tree?
Tree. Just like ours.
Yeah, there's trees outside, but what is the first sound in the word tree? What's the first sound in the word tree? What's the first sound?
What's that sound?
You know what that is. Look at the word. What's that letter? What's that letter?
This is Mama.
Tree.
Tree.
Okay, but what's the letter? Tell me the letter. Good job, baby. We're a little confused because we're a little bit dizzy tonight, but we know that letter. Look at the letter again. Look at the letter. This is a T, right? Is that a T?
Yes.
A little T. Okay, look at this picture. What's that look like?
Grass.
Good job. What's the first sound in grass?
Grass. It's snowing.
Grass.
Grass.
All right, you gotta find which word starts with the same sound as guitar. Guitar, flower, tree, grass. Which one has the g sound? Which one sounds like g? Which picture has the g sound? Yep. Which other one does? Pick another one with a g sound. That's okay. Grass. Grass. All right, we'll take a break.